Do you think ETA as an association, of course, who have been the non-IATA association members, do you go with Ajay? Do you think what is the way, can we, do we need to do a bit of drama to get things going?
I thank you, Rima, but time and again, I've told Ajay, I've told Iqbal, I've told Raji Rai and whatever it is, why are you sitting down and blaming the government? I disagree on that, Ajay, or whoever says that. First, get your act together. We are playing divisive roles amongst the travel fraternity itself. There are caucuses being formed by travel associations and leaving out other travel associations, including ETA. How on earth do you project yourself to the government? The government will take advantage, so also will the airline. Why can't you carry the whole travel trade? We have senior people here. I'm asking you. When you were the president of TAFE, I asked you the same question. You had no reply. I asked Iqbal Mullah, so he called me for the next meeting. Why are we doing this piecemeal thing? Therefore, what Ajay said, I back fully. Get your act together first. Get every damn association, however large or small they are. Don't play the big brother, small brother part here. Get on into the streets. Show them who you are. I'm not asking you to confront anybody. We are scared about Competition Commission of India. Competition Commission of India will obviously take you to task if you actually isolate one particular airline. Nobody can stop you the right to strike. I'm sorry. Why don't we all go on strike? But you can't go and strike because 5 associations come together, calls themselves Hope, 9 associations call themselves Faith. What are we talking about? First, get your act together. Get your act together, you'll get, because then your members also are not divided, because the members are laughing at all of us. Carl Dantes is saying his own thing as ETA president, VG Ipin is saying, Iqbal is saying, blah, blah, whatever it is saying. So I'm not here to play a blame game. Iqbal is doing a fantastic job. Probably he's facing some kind of problems within his own association where his members are not backing him. I don't know. So why are we going to Delhi? What are we talking about? What are the issues? What do the travel trade talk about? We all make speeches. We talk about 15 million outbound, 6 million inbound. We should be ashamed of ourselves. What are we doing with the ministries? So 1 or 2 industry associations go and curry favor with the cultural ministry, another 2 go and curry favor with the tourism ministry. Nothing is going to happen. So my appeal to everybody is that I'm not here to criticize anybody. I have pledged my support. I have written to Iqbal and Zakir. I have told Subhash Goyal, I told Parvez Dewan that let us get our act together, let us come together. Let us show them that it is affecting 250 million people, 250,000 people. I don't know what the figures are, but it is affecting people. Because one of the ministers told us, who will take you seriously? You're not the agricultural segment where there are, 500 million people affected. You're just some minuscule lot. And that yet when they want the business, they come to us, can you help us with inbound? So my thing is that first get your act together, let all the associations sit together, get all your members together, have a common platform, have a common goal. No Supreme Court, no tourism ministry, no airline will dare tell you what you should do. They will follow the instructions. We have given figures, 80 to 85% is what travel agents control. And therefore, one journalist asks you, then why are you begging for this? I beg to agree with her, not to differ with her. If we are actually controlling 80%, then why are we begging for commission or remuneration? Because we are divided. We don't get together and we don't fight together. So therefore, in this, thank you for giving me this platform. I've covered any question that you have in this one simple reply. The need of the hour is get together, no strike, no appeal to anybody has succeeded with only part of the industry.